Minano Nihongo N4 Lesson 47 Part 2 Vocabulary 1 Kagaku Science Watashi wa kagaku ni kyomi ga arimasu. I am interested in science. Second, Iigaku Medicinal Science. Watanabe-san wa Iigaku wo benkyou shite imasu. Mr. Watanabe is studying medicine. Third, Bungaku Literature. Koukou no toki bungaku bu ni haitte imashita. When I was in high school, I was a part of literature club. Fourth, Kyūkyū sha Ambulance. 病人は救急車で病院で運ばれた. The sick person was taken to the hospital in an ambulance. Fifth, Sansei Agreement. みんながこの計画に賛成した. Everyone agreed to this plan. Sixth, Hantai Against Oppose. 私はこの契約に反対です. I am against this proposal. 7th, 大統領 President. 今日大統領が来るようで道が閉ざされています. The president is coming today, so the streets have been closed off. 婚約 Get engaged. 先週婚約しました. I got engaged last week. 9th, 恋人 Lover, boyfriend, girlfriend. 恋人のために素敵なプレゼントを買いました. I bought a wonderful present for my boyfriend and girlfriend. 10. 知り合い Get acquainted. 山田さんとゆきさんはどこで知り合ったんですか? Where did Yamada-san and Yuki-san meet? 11. 化粧 Makeup, cosmetics. 化粧を買いました. I bought some cosmetics. 12. 女性 Woman. 働く女性の数が増えました. The number of working women has increased. 13. 男性 Male, man. 男性たちは女性より背が高いです. Most of the men are taller than females. Grammar point 2. Yodis. Yodis is an expression used to describe what the speaker has concluded from observing a situation. It is sometimes used with its verb domo when speaker wishes to emphasize the tentative nature of his or her conclusion. The plain forms of verbs and I adjectives attached to yodis. The adjectives maintain their na and nouns take no before attaching to yodis. Example 1. 人が大勢集まっていますね. 事故のようですね. パトカーと救急車が来ていますよ. A huge crowd has gathered here, isn't it? It looks like there was an accident. A police car and ambulance have arrived here. Example 2. 咳も出るし、頭も痛いし、どうも風邪をひいたようだ. I have got cough. My head also aches. I think I might have a cold. Note the difference between sodis and yodis. Example, Mira-san wa isogashiそうです. Mr. Miner looks busy. Example 4. Mira-san wa isogashiようです. Mr. Miner seems to be busy. While example 3 merely describe Mr. Miner's external appearance, example 4 expresses a conclusion that the speaker has arrived based on his or her observation. Example, that Mr. Miner is difficult to contact or that he did not come to the party that he said he would attend. Grammar point 3. Koi oto nioi ashita ashi ga shimasu. Example, 賑やかな声がしますね. They are talking excitedly, aren't they? They describe a voice, other sound, smell, taste, or other sensation that the speaker has perceived using his or her sense organs.